Starting a business presented as a story. Once upon a time, in a bustling city called Somewhere, there lived a young and ambitious entrepreneur named Alex. Alex had always dreamed of starting their own business and making a positive impact on the community. One day, he decided to turn his passion for healthy eating into a reality by opening a smoothie bar called Fresh Vibes. Alex knew that starting a new business required careful planning and preparation. He began by conducting market research to understand the demand for healthy food options in the area. He discovered that there was a growing interest in health and wellness, with many people seeking nutritious and convenient meal options. With this valuable information in hand, Alex started to develop a business plan. He and Dave Marshall, his accountant from Bean Counter, outlined Alex's vision for Fresh Vibes, including the menu, target market, pricing strategy, and marketing initiatives. They also calculated the startup costs, such as equipment, ingredients, and rent, and created a financial forecast to ensure the business would be profitable. Next, Alex focused on securing funding for his venture. He and Dave approached local banks and investors, presenting their well-prepared business plan and demonstrating Alex's passion and dedication. After several meetings and negotiations, they successfully secured a small business loan and received additional funding from a supportive relative who believed in his vision. With the financial aspects sorted, Alex turned his attention to finding the perfect location for Fresh Vibes. He scouted various neighborhoods, considering factors such as foot traffic, competition, and accessibility. Finally, he found a cozy space in a vibrant area known for its health-conscious community. Once the location was secured, Alex began the process of obtaining the necessary permits and licenses to operate a food establishment. He worked closely with the local health department to ensure compliance with food safety regulations and hired a team of skilled employees who shared his passion for healthy living. Next, Alex and Dave set up Alex's point of sales and bookkeeping computer systems and learned how to use the systems so he could efficiently process and bill his customers' orders and prepare his financial statements. As the opening day approached, Alex focused on creating a memorable brand for Fresh Vibes. He designed a vibrant logo, developed a catchy slogan, and crafted a strong online presence through social media platforms and a user-friendly website. He also reached out to local influencers and health bloggers, inviting them to a pre-opening event to generate buzz and excitement. Finally, the big day arrived. Fresh Vibes opened its doors to a line of eager customers, ready to taste the delicious and nutritious smoothies. Alex and his team greeted each customer with a warm smile, providing exceptional service and ensuring that every smoothie was made with love and the freshest ingredients. Word quickly spread about the delightful experience at Fresh Vibes, and the business flourished. Alex's dedication, careful planning, and commitment to providing a healthy and enjoyable experience paid off. Fresh Vibes became a beloved community spot, inspiring others to embrace a healthier lifestyle. And so, Alex's dream of starting a new business became a reality, proving that with passion, perseverance, a well-thought-out plan, and a little help from professionals, anyone can turn their entrepreneurial dreams into a successful venture.